Now you can convert any number in Excel into its Word format without using VB. Let me guide you how. For that, you need to use a formula that's called BAHTTEXT. Through this, you can convert any number into Thai language that is mostly spoken in Thailand. Now, with the help of translate function, you can convert this language from Thai to English like this. Now most of the part is done, except we need to change the currency also. You can see here this baht and setting that we need to change into rupees and paisa. I'm going to use substitute function first to convert the baht into rupees like this. Now I just need to convert the smaller currency as well. I'm going to use substitute function one more time. And bingo. Similarly, you can convert this currency into your own format as well.